Hi, we are 26562 MechTech, an FTC team, and in this video we will be showing you how to use mates in assemblies. This video is a part 1 to our 3-video series. In this video we will be showing you 3 mates: the Fasten mate, the Revolute mate, and the Slider mate. Before we get into mates, I would like to talk about the purpose of assemblies. Assemblies can be used for putting together parts and having a 3D model of how your parts will come together. So for our first mate, the Fasten mate does not allow for any degrees of freedom. 2 pieces are securely fastened and cannot move alone. So what you're going to want to do is select the 2 mate connectors you want to be joined. How a mate connector works is the 2 ones you join will be put together and not able to move at all. So I would want to select this top of the hole and the top of the screw before the hex comes out. That will allow these 2 pieces to be fastened together and not be able to move alone. They can still move together, but not alone. That is the Fasten mate. The next mate I will be showing you is the Revolute mate. The Revolute mate is similar to the Fasten mate, except for the Revolute mate allows for 2 pieces to rotate, and I will show you how to do that. Again, you're going to want to select the 2 mate connectors you want to be joined, except for this time they will be able to rotate. So again, you're going to want to select the top of this hole and the top of this circle part before it gets cut off by the top of before it gets cut off by the bottom of this rectangle part that shoots out. So that is how our Revolute mate, and this allows, if we fix the box, this allows for our knob to spin around. Next up, we have the Slider mate. The Slider mate is also similar to the Fasten mate, where instead of being able to rotate, or instead of having no degrees of freedom, it is able to slide, but not able to rotate. So, in order to do that, I will show you the Slider mate and how it works. Once again, we're going to want to select the top of this box and the top of the cylinder because that's what we want to be joined. So now, if we fix the box so that stays in place, this will slide up and down. Another thing you can do in assemblies is set limits. So you can set a limit to how far it can go up and how far it can go down. So let's just say we only want it to go up 20 millimeters and only be able to go down 20 millimeters. That would mean, so we want these to be 2 separate measurements, and now it has limited movement and can only move a little bit. So those are our 3 mates, and we will be continuing this series in another video. Thanks for watching.